Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are unboxing the Tonor XRL 3.5 condenser. Okay, so I bought it from Amazon for 34 euros. All the reviews are pretty good and it's compared to the other products. This one looks nice. Let's open it. Okay, so we have got the pop filter here. A user manual for this. Then we have the audio cable, I guess. Two audio cables. This is a stand to put it on table. This is his holder for the mic, and this is I think two-way for microphone and a speaker together in a laptop if you don't have two ports. Okay, this is a stand for it. Okay, and this is the cover for it. I think okay, it's okay, it's not damaged. And there we have our mic. You can get it with blue variant as well, but I like the black one. Yeah, so okay, so let's make it together and then listen to its voice, how its recording voice is. Oat is strong and also gives shade. Cat and dogs each hate the other. Oak is strong and also gives shade. Cat and dogs each hate the other. Oak is strong and also gives shade. Cat and dogs each hate the other.